Ay, padre. Okay, Presto. Okay, Presto. Ay, Dios mío. This guy. Oh, my God.
No. I see you, baby. And I brought a friend along to help me show my appreciation.
Okay, Presto.
Down. From which? Yo, what was your name? Wyndon. Oh, there's someone calling you.
Hello, really? From Indianapolis. Hi, Matthew. How are you?
I'm doing well, Dave. How are you doing?
And we'll ask them live right now with a career coach and a CPA.
Wow.
That's what you want to do.
No, don't folks giving to you, to the people all the cars.
Just to see if, there's any pattern to it.
Okay. Okay, Presto.
Right.
But there were a lot of these
Now this car right here is about to skip everybody, eat the light.
Votech things.
Official that if you're fully vaccinated and are outdoors and not TikTok.
It's the first TV ad from the leading contender in the race for mayor.
Now look what we have here. Same guy. Probably got stopped for speeding.
$1 million just to run this commercial for its first week on.
Look at the fire truck. See a fire truck? Fire truck.
So as to limit the number of cables going up to the actual unit. And then that singular cable connecting through a magnet carries both power and...
Wow. Okay, Presto. I mean, to be fair, she didn't know, but damn.